Hi guys, this is Patty, and I'm sitting in the dark. We're having flash flood warning, very sharp and intense lightning and thundering. We are under a thunderstorm warning here, flash flood until 4 a.m. CST, until Friday. It is very bad in my neck of the woods at this time. The iPads are charged, the phones are charged. I have water here, moved to a safe spot within the home, and just praying for the best. That's all can be done right now at this point. And my preparedness kicked in. I have flashlights available here, my water, and just sitting here and trying to be normal about the situation. But I pray that it passes over and that we don't get any damage in my area. But I'll come back and talk to you probably later on tomorrow morning to let you guys know what took place um, tonight and early morning. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.